Diaries, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the very first time. Hope you subscribe to my channel, click the on notification bell so don't miss out any further updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram. Just link होगी description box में. You're missing out if you're not because I do update about my videos there. अगर यहाँ पे तुम्हें notification नहीं मिलता, you might get it there. So description में होगा link. नमस्ते, this is Dvija और कैसे हैं आप? See your sunshine in human form. और आज हम देख रहे हैं Okay, finally, Tanmay and Slay Point, they both are back together. I love it. I love it. मुझे पता था Tanmay is gonna be back anyway, so देखो, like we manifested last time, every week one video, that's it. That's it what we ask for. And better videos. Last वाला wasn't bad, उससे पहले वाला बहुत अच्छा था. कुशा है इस बार वीडियो में. Let's see what's gonna happen. Fingers crossed. Video जाएगा रहेगा. And I'm very sure मजा तो आएगा ही. It's a OG gang. Okay, weight loss memes. Let's go play. Oh, hi. Oh, I love the panel today. We need more women in the panel for
Dude,
sure.
what is this movie that has turned everyone into Kullu, man?
Tell honestly.
I've not
how
seen.
is it?
I'll tell you genuinely, it's a nice film. It's a very nicely made film.
I have not seen anybody
Gurleen
associated with
and-
this film in anything. I have not seen the boy. I have not.
I have seen Ahan.
I have
No, the
never
audience-
seen the
okay.
producer at all.
Hey.
No, the audience has delivered food to me sometimes.
Okay, I think I get it. Sarcasm.
Then I haven't been on a Zoom in forever, so I don't know.
Welcome.
One second.
Girl.
Have you been on time in forever?
I can't remember my laptop password, so I can't log in. So I've come on a phone. I'm so sorry. Hi.
What's up? Kusha, your laptop password. Try OZ.
No, it should have been Monjaro.
To do a sketch, dude, about a civilization called Monjaro Daro. Everyone is just skinny.
Ozempic.
New bodybuilding competition, Mr. Olympia.
The Ozempic Games.
होगा.
Kusha's like
अब
making-
यही आएगा.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है.
Kusha, when will you learn your lesson to not hang out with comics anymore?
This episode is long time coming because I know Kusha watches reacts. Back
Yeah.
in the day, just post pandemic में कुशा के घर पे गया था. कुशा के YouTube खोलता, उसके अंदर हमारे सारे videos पे red bars थे, which is the true sign of watching. Then
Kusha की
stop.
maid का अच्छा taste है भाई.
अरे मेरे दोस्त देखते हैं तन्मय रिएक्ट साथ मेरे दोस्त साथ में बैठे हुए थे पूरी
Yeah, we
story
all
बताया
see.
तन्मय,
Guys,
और
could have just
That's
said
why you
to
want
watch
more
it, to
videos.
enjoy it, but cool.
This is
Yeah.
like when people come up to you and they're like, my friend's a big fan actually.
मेरे को भी कुछ देखना होता था मैं फ्रेंड के घर जाता फिर उनका रिमोट लेके चला
गुल्लू तेरा नाम क्या था इस पे?
Enjoyer.
Enjoy. Kusha, what do we give you? Under need से related कुछ दे सकते हैं?
Meat under.
Neat under OP. Yo, welcome to the
Hi.
episode.
I'm excited for this.
We've got writer OP, prisoner OP.
Reactor OG OP always.
पीयूष क्या था तू? हाँ, we got writer.
लोग आते जाते रहेंगे, मैं तो यही हूँ.
We got writer OP, prisoner OP, banker OP, and jar OP in the house. And joining us today, a very special guest. You've seen her everywhere. You've seen her on Instagram. You've seen her on YouTube, on Amazon
Netflix,
Prime, on Hotstar,
everywhere.
on Netflix. But mostly you've seen her on Reddit. Give it up for the one and only Kusha Kapila, aka Influencer. Oh, baby!
मैं सिर्फ Reddit पे horror stories read करने जाती हूँ.
It's going really well. मेरी फिल्म आई है व्यर्थ on YouTube.
Yeah.
मैं उसी के लिए आई हूँ यहाँ पर.
Yurt.
तुझे जो हल्का सटल रख सकते थे हल्का सटल.
We're sitting at 220k views. I would love for it to be 500k views after this episode.
कुछ
Thank
ने
you so much.
कुछ ने वो वाला कर दिया कैप्शन के पहले जो हैशटैग ऐड लिखा रहता है ना कि गलती से ना लग जाए कि हमारी कुशा से दोस्ती है.
It is true, Kusha's short film is out. I'm going to link it in the description and in the pin comment.
What
You
is
check it
the
out.
genre?
Kusha, you're amazing.
It
in the film.
depends.
Congratulations. And you're looking so lovely nowadays. And
Oh.
congratulations on everything and all the success. And you worked so hard. I've seen you personally go to the gym so much. I've personally seen your looks lifting your career. And I must say,
Oh. Well, वो तो लोग जो देखते हैं उसकी उनकी प्रॉब्लम है, not ours.
Kusha's like punchline कब आ रहा है? No, me and Kusha were hyping each other up from the Coffee with Karan days. Kusha, remember that?
Oh हाँ,
obviously.
we were
How did it feel
together.
to be on an episode of Coffee with Karan with two Karan Johars. Kusha is also a phenomenal writer. A lot of you don't know, but Kusha is a phenomenal writer of statements. Anyway, Kusha, thank you for coming. Let's just dive into it. कुछ तो मजबूरी रही होगी, नहीं तो कोई हंसता खेलता फ्रिज
फ्रिज ये
ये
कदम
कदम नहीं उठाता.
फ्रिज गिरा है
Projection of
अंदर
emotions.
में वाइट फ्रिज
Me when I need to diet.
IIT aspirant, this I hope this side video did not trigger you.
नहीं मैं विदर्भ से हूँ, मेरे को ऑलरेडी इम्यून.
आपने पहले पैनकेक खाया है ना कभी?
हाँ, मेरे घर डेली यही बनता है भाई, हम लोग खाते हैं.
अच्छा फिर खाइए.
It's okay, you can.
Of Mumbai.
हमारे घर में भी बनता है।
You can actually eat it like that.
लास्ट मंथ
जब मैंने भाई सुशी को तोड़ के मीट के खाया था तब आया था मुझे.
Okay.
That's the first meal.
Tofu की birthday पे I need this. February. 26 Feb. Next 26 Feb.
फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ द Monjini.
I like this.
Genies. Wow, wow, wow.
Oh my
Piyush,
God.
wow.
But she was always beautiful.
Kusha,
It's
what's your
just
favorite sabji? Is it
she's prettier now.
Veneer palak? Palak veneer. Fuck, I fucked this joke up.
हग दिया. विनियर क्या होता है?
Veneers, yaar.
Vineyards, where
Oh, she got veneers.
वही exactly. मैं तो सूला नासिक.
I wish I can.
Don't do things differently. They do different things.
Shivkera.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Kusha, a lot of people believe that people call the paps. I have hung out with you where randomly we showed up at places and paps are just randomly they show up.
नहीं कुशा never calls, she messages.
Oh,
अरे
Pooling
वाह.
has given me an opportunity to work this summer on something that's substantial and that's done a lot of things for me. It's changed me as a person and I'm more sensitized towards the issue of HIV. And obviously, All India is not only working with one issue, it's working with 4 different issues. So then I also get to know about the other 3 issues.
Kusha's face.
Yeah, just
सबको अपने पुराने वीडियोस क्रिंज लगते हैं.
Kusha look 35 at 18 also. Literally, मैं अपनी लाइफ में अभी तो पीक करूंगी.
Me right now.
कुशा यहाँ अपनी बड़ी बहन लग रही है।
Nice, good.
कुशा जी नाइस चोकर.
चोकर पहना हुआ है।
in general, I would not like to attend an HIV orgy as written in the subtitle. It just sounds like an unnecessary activity.
How did he get this organization?
Tengo que decir a mi favor que me he dejado con las gafas puestas.
2017s and all, when I was at
I
my
do that.
peak. That time, I remember if I would step on the weighing scale, if I just took off my jeans and my hoodie, it used to be like almost 2 kilos difference.
It does make a difference. Exactly.
पूरा नहीं मान जाएगा.
Yeah, but yeah.
सुबह वो भी कुछ खाए बिना पिए बिना.
You should like railway station pe.
Oh, I'm unhealthy because I'm fat?
Literally, yes.
Friendly fire. चलो भाई talking to कुशा.
इसके eyebrows are doing something else.
ये ना नहीं.
Eyebrow ऐसे take off कर रहे हैं ये.
और कोई features पसंद आए गुल्ली?
पसंद आए.
I'm pointing out कि क्या गलती है.
Gulli is this close to no, you're not fat.
Yeah. Exactly. Only one way to test out how heavy you are. Sit on my face.
Rohan,
Kusha,
what?
When you used to be all about
Why?
body positivity.
पुराने body positive memes पर याद स्क्रीन लिखेगी पर सोने से पहले मुझको कोसेगी.
Remember when you were like, hey guys, love yourself, no matter how you are.
But if there's less of you to love, then love more.
The call out is
I
incredible.
used to be against fat shaming.
I'm still against fat shaming. Just to set the record clear.
कितना % बचा है अभी? 3-4%.
अब तो काफी है।
भाई पुराने एआईबी वीडियोस में तन्मय भाई 3/4 फ्रेम में आते थे और फिर खंबा भाई ऐसे खंबा भाई अंधा।
Dude, you know, it used to be so sad because we used to have AIB merch, okay? Like sometimes नया merch आता था और हम सब शो में पहन के जाते थे स्टेज पे, पर मेरा स्पेसिफिकली मेरा टी-शर्ट बनने के लिए अलग फैक्ट्री में एक बनाना पड़ता था।
वो फैक्ट्री वाले वो बोल के बनाते होंगे, अरे ये वो हैन नाइट लिए जो 4 लड़कियां जाएंगी ना इसमें। But I am ready to pay for this, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm okay for paying for this.
Please don't do this.
अच्छा, okay, it's
मुझे डीमार्ट से पिकअप कर रहे हैं यार, प्लीज पुलिस स्टेशन मत लेके जाओ।
I'm not from this pin code.
I have not seen the
From this
meme.
country, I'm not going to be staying here.
Sorry,
This
the
happened in
whole
the US.
meme बन गया।
That's why she was trying all these Indian cop tricks, like let's adjust.
Yeah, let's adjust.
Let's adjust.
ऐसे हाथ में डॉलर दबा के कि एक बार हाथ तो मिलाओ।
हाँ।
Shoplifting.
वो तो सरप्राइज थी कि ना तेरा ना मेरा अभी तक आया कि नहीं।
How many push-ups have you been doing wrong? Watch this.
That's something else.
Joshi, you're supposed to do push-ups alone or what?
And that's how you've lost weight.
Let's just say I've been doing a lot of cardio. What's everyone's favorite workout at the gym?
I hate gym. Pilates.
My favorite workout is joining hands and thanking God कि मेरा metabolism अच्छा है।
Pilates.
That's much.
Piyush, I've not तू workout वगैरह करता है क्या? I've rarely ever seen you.
I hate gym.
IIT crack हो गया ये बोले अब हार्ड वर्क नहीं करता।
अब होमवर्क करते हैं सिर्फ ये। भाई मेरे को कभी पुलअप्स नहीं कर पाता था भाई। लंदन में वो जिम शार्क वाली बंदी ने मेरे को पुलअप सिखा दिया भाई। उसने बोला कि अरे ये जरा हिप ऊपर करो, मैं कर लीजिए मैडम। अरे पुलअप।
I get what they're saying. I do go to gym like once in a month. और शाम को it's packed.
All of you only working out.
This is orgy gang.
Kusha, you go to that famous trainer, no? On Instagram.
Yeah, I mean dungeon. Yeah, I go to the dungeon.
Guys, मेरा पहला gym trainer almost jail गया था।
हाँ।
Yeah.
Not a surprise.
Was he?
Yeah. Just, I can see
Ranveer.
what you all bonded over.
Dungeon.
Dungeon basically means basement, so.
Biceps beer.
Press leg.
उल्टा ही है, बराबर है।
Never leg skip day.
Whenever I'm trying to spell unnecessary, I just hit N, C, and S until autocorrect kisses me on the forehead and
Yes.
will stop.
I didn't get it.
Piyush is looking
Okay.
at all of us being like noobs.
Yeah, really.
Piyush though even says full form of abbreviation, bro. Too long, did not read.
Etc.
Who writes etc. anymore? ETC.
Tanmay. Tanmay. Tanmay.
I was going to say so far so
That's
good.
also your weighing machine back in the day, huh, by the way.
Spoke too soon.
Also weighing machine. That's weighing machine.
Max? Yeah. Max? Yeah. Max?
Oh God.
Hey, Max, sit.
He's at.
Yeah.
Oh.
What is the Indian equivalent of this?
Tommy.
Maya can be very easily.
But
Human.
Maya is not as common.
Not common.
माया में तो कुत्ता
common.
रिएक्ट
Leo.
बड़ी बात है।
Leo is very common name. शेरू is common.
मैंने उनको जो भी कहता कि सोनू जी आपकी जीवनी लिखूंगा मैं, आपकी बायोग्राफी लिखूंगा, उसका नाम होगा सोनोग्राफी। क्योंकि आप गायनो वोकोलॉजिस्ट हैं। गायनो वोकोलॉजिस्ट।
Gynecologist.
Yeah, boy.
सुनने से पहले मेरे कान फट क्यों नहीं गए?
सोनोग्राफी तो अच्छी जगह है।
Yeah, I think we all laughed.
But hey, don't
वो
add
वैसा
me in
है।
we all. This is
Yeah.
Keep yourself. This is not a we statement.
I am the owner
I am not doing this.
of the one and only 24-karat gold Labubu in the world.
Anyone here has a labubu?
No.
It's so ugly.
Yeah,
Who
but-
wants it?
लबूबू हॉन्टेड है, लोग अपने लबूबू जला रहे हैं अब, क्योंकि जब से लबूबू उनकी जिंदगी में आया उनके साथ सिर्फ बुरा हो रहा है.
No
Oh,
Labubu, only Tatya Bichu from now.
Tatya Bichu too.
Tatya Bichu.
it's actually
Wattpad
pretty
पे लिखने वाली
ugly.
लड़कियां भाई बड़ी हो गई हैं अब।
He knows about Wattpad? Okay.
क्या लगता है, फेस या बॉडी?
Body. I like back. Like back.
ये बैक नहीं.
कमाल है यार।
He's
Anyone
weird.
saw the Himesh concert?
Yeah, no, I really want to go, but
मेरे और कुशा को हमको
Would be
free
fun.
tickets नहीं मिले।
90s kids would love it.
उस दिन मैं कुशा गया था दुकान जाके, मैंने पैसे देके कुछ चीजें खरीदी यार, मेरे को अजीब लगा
Yeah.
सब कि ये
I can pay for this.
कह रहे सब तबेले से कोलैब नहीं कर सकते आप।
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now,
Sometimes.
This is like an average Delhi person in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Oh.
कुशा
Arey.
Capilla.
This
Done
was
by
Rohan
Rohan
made
Joshi.
this.
It was me only, yes.
Rohan, what happens to you every morning when you wake up? You make 4 meals and you send it into the world.
कॉपी राइटिंग के टाइम की हैबिट है ये कि 4 दे दो
Yes.
12 बजे तक फिर चिल कर सकते
Exactly. Literally that.
Bro chose C++ as his bedtime story.
Really? Crazy.
अचार रख दिया उसमें।
Relatable.
How's underneath going?
It's going very well, yeah. It's killing it.
Do people come up to you in person and be like, inside I'm wearing underneath?
Yes, all the time.
Oh.
People say that all the time. And I
ऐसे
get
ऐसे
really
करते हैं,
excited.
देखो अंदर मैंने क्या पहना है.
It's a
नहीं, गुरलीन अपनी
Gurleen.
brand.
Gurleen, come on.
खाने वाली बात
Gurleen.
नहीं.
मुझे समझ नहीं आया पहले क्या था उसका.
Gurleen, largely I trust people when they say that to me. I
Yeah.
don't need to check it for proof.
Willing to be your
100% check
quality
करना चाहिए
tester.
आपको. ऐसे खींच के ऐसे मारेंगे.
कोचा जी मैं पहन के घूम रहा हूँ 3-4 दिन से अंडरनीट, आप पूछे ही नहीं।
Are you thinking of doing men's products?
We could totally do, that's what, this is actually research for that only. I would love to know from all of you.
रॉन्ग रिसर्च ग्रुप है।
यार चड्डियों पे एयर टैग लगा के बेचो कुशा।
This
No.
guy has
Oh,
pre-nut
God.
clarity.
मैं यहाँ पे आती हूँ.
This guy.
आईआईटी बॉम्बे ड्रामा
What
सोसाइटी।
was this?
Nice reel directed by Mohit Suri.
This goes to them. क्यों?
जो मैं अभी करके दिखाऊंगा ना, सोचा नहीं होगा किसी ने। नहीं, अब क्या हुआ कि अब तैयारी हो गई है और अब मजा आ गया है।
कुशा आफ्टर 4 people order underneath।
We gonna eat healthy for 3 days.
5-6 खबरें तो दहेज के बारे में ही छपी है। जगह जगह औरतों को तंग किया जा रहा है दहेज की लालच में।
दहेज मांगना एक अपराध है फ्रेडी। और जो लोग दहेज मांगते हैं उनके खिलाफ लोगों को सामने आना चाहिए, कंप्लेंट लिखवानी चाहिए पुलिस में।
हाँ।
How I get entry into Kusha's house?
कुल्लू before gifting चड्डी।
Kullu's like.
You don't know, हमको समझ आ जाता है बाहर से भी सब कुछ. We like this everywhere.
For this life I cannot change.
Every podcaster ever.
Raj Shamani speaking to sponsored guest.
Call me a fugitive, but don't call me a kabutar baz.
Yeah.
हमने लोगों को एक साइड से डव लगाया।
Nice.
मेरी मम्मी दी थी लेकर। और
आपका क्या नाम है?
मुकेश कुमार जी, मैं इनका वाइफ हूँ जी।
It's okay. You can be the wife. It's
बोलती
okay.
थी ना, साला कभी लगा ही नहीं झूठ बोल रही है। बोलती थी मेरे बाबू ने ताना ताया, मैंने भी नहीं ताया।
भाई क्यों सैयारा के तुम लोग क्यों लीक कर रहे हो यार?
When Kusha lost weight before Tanmay.
बट ये ऐसे स्क्वाट्स क्यों कर रहे हो मतलब?
अच्छा
मैं मोटी
ठीक है
पर अकली
ठीक है
ये किसने कहा?
ठीक है समझ गया।
Then why do your friends do that? They are not your friends.
This song is so catchy. मुझे
I have not heard.
पूजा जी आप भूल सकती हो आप ये।
मैं तो गा ही नहीं सकती है।
This is true though. In fact, with boys it's reverse. If you get a compliment, then something is suspicious.
Sad.
With girls, it's also like, yes, queen, you are slaying. It also means that you hate her.
No.
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 आप तो ये बोलोगे।
वो ज़माना चला गया. It's all in your head.
How the Ariana Grande-fication of Kusha went unnoticed.
She's not that
This does not
skinny.
even make sense. It makes no sense.
Yeah.
I think since the glow up has happened, have you noticed people get a little like jealous and stuff?
I don't think they're jealous. I think they're seething with hatred. I think.
No, but I saw this really fun meme yesterday. It's not here, but there was this survey where they asked men if they will date women who are overweight, and literally all of them said that no, we would want a woman who's into fitness, who's
Everyone likes attractive
and
people.
None of them were fit. And then they asked the same question to women that if you'd want to date somebody who's overweight, 9 out of 10 women said that लड़का अच्छा होना चाहिए, overweight and all doesn't matter. उस पे आप लोगों का क्या ख्याल है?
I won't. I want someone who's fit. मैं fit हूँ तो वो भी fit चाहिए. नहीं चाहिए और.
I'm a fitness model. I'm the before picture.
बेटा पानी पियो।
You doer.
ये पानी से ना बेटा हमारे यहाँ ना कोई हाथ नहीं धो सकता है। हम इसे वॉशरूम में इस्तेमाल नहीं करते अपने ऐसे पानी को इतने गंदे को। शहर में एक भी घर ऐसा नहीं है जो इस पानी को अपने वॉशरूम में इस्तेमाल करे।
भाई तो इतना फ्लेक्स क्यों कर रहा है इधर funny?
मदद करने आए हैं कि अपना आरो बेचने आए हैं?
We're gonna be late. I swear to God, if you make us late.
It was not even scary. कितना fake है ये? I don't agree on the prank videos. Most of them are fake.
Reaction videos.
मेरे सामने कुछ नहीं है.
None of the prank videos are real. None of I can tell when I watch a prank.
Yeah.
I agree
Some
with
of the
this.
roast videos are real.
Look, baby, मुझे लगता है कि जो भी तूने किया है वो very very right है। रूठ काल को भूल जा अब तू आने वाला फ्यूचर very very bright है।
I'm not watching if this is happening. Oh, Ravan है basically, but
Dramatic Sayara fan.
सैयारा पॉजिटिव।
बड़े साहब आप इतना कष्ट क्यों किए हमारे इस छोटे से घर में आए साहब जल्दी चाय बनाओ बड़े साहब।
Unrelatable for me but funny.
कुल्लू.
ओहो उठ गए जहाँ पर ना उठ गए।
क्या बात है? आ गई हीरोइन. ओहो. Don't know why he used to call me heroine, but whatever.
क्या बात। अब हमारे वाला भी बल देखो। आपके ऊपर
हाँ
ये कासल करके दिखाओ।
हाँ
मान गए खाली बल।
अब गुरुजी आप आओ मैं आता हूँ ऊपर।
यार तू तो
खाली मजाक प्लेइंग.
ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा है। इतना आदमी बिठा लो, ठीक है, और उतना में गाड़ी खड़ा करा दो, बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा ना। चलने वाले तो बेवकूफ है।
Me on Mumbai dates.
When mom is angry, you say yes to everything.
वो करूँगा, प्लीज मुझे एक्सेप्ट कर लो। तो मेरी एक शर्त है, आपको आपकी फैमिली छोड़नी पड़ेगी। क्या आप रेडी हो? नहीं ऐश्वर्या, मैं मेरी फैमिली नहीं छोड़ूंगी।
मुझे यही उम्मीद थी आपसे।
इतने गुस्से में किधर जा रही है?
रोशन मुझसे प्यार ही नहीं करता। मैंने सिर्फ उसे बोला मेरे लिए फैमिली छोड़ दे, तो उसने साफ मना कर दिया।
अरे पागल, उसकी फैमिली नहीं है, अनाथ है वो क्या फैमिली छोड़ेगा?
सॉरी रोशन, मुझे नहीं पता
I think
था
we have
इस
seen this.
दुनिया में कोई नहीं।
किसने कहा मेरे इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं है? आप मेरी फैमिली हो, मैं आपको कैसे छोड़ सकता हूँ?
Kusha working for HIV or
Bro, this woman's head is a ball pen.
सही में man, what's that? What's that hairstyle?
It's called puff.
बोलती ना कि it's important keep it at the back of your head.
I used to do that a lot in my 11th 12th. Very very bad.
Very nice.
भाई ये इसको गोल्डबर्ग वाली स्पीयर मार दे किसी को ये बंदी।
Guilty.
गर्लफ्रेंड को महंगा मोबाइल दिलाने के लिए लूटा मामा का घर।
I can't even tell which of these is the thief.
Yeah.
और मामा।
The one.
Okay.
तूने फोरप्ले कभी खेला है कुल्लू?
मेरा अपग्रेड नहीं हुआ अभी तक।
Kullu thinks foreplay is when you control four controllers.
पीयूष, तूने खेला है कभी फोरप्ले?
अबे इसको देख भाई, इससे गैस जलाते हैं, इसको गैस पे नहीं रखते। गवार साले मर जाएंगे इतने सारे लोग, बेचारे कचौरी खाने आए, आखिरी कचौरी खाएंगे दुनिया की अपनी।
That was actual gaslighting.
Okay. Good morning, Gurleen.
बहुत बढ़िया।
अरे बाप! Too good. When my parents take my phone away, so now I got a texter on my fridge. Bro, how are you recording? Another fridge.
मेरे साथ होता है, मैं जिम में बहुत नहीं जाती हूँ।
Fitness instructor, ये वाला एक्सरसाइज करने से क्या बढ़ जाता है? Follow us.
Nice.
All right, friend. That's it for today.
Amazing. One of the best episodes so far.
First time on the show.
It was really fun. There was no pressure of being funny since all of you were like taking care of that. I just came to laugh. And please go watch my film Garrett on my YouTube channel.
Check out.
Okay, I'm gonna pause here since it's just promotion. Finally, after a very long time, a really good video. Like, was that? Sure, there were a few double meaning things, and they were fun. They were not in any way disgraceful or disrespectful. Or they were just fun. I mean, they were, like I always say ना, एक line होती है जो cross नहीं करनी चाहिए. ये वो नहीं हुई थी यहाँ पे. और बहुत सब अच्छा था. I really want more females who are regularly in this panel. Aishwarya would be great. Aishwarya is really good. फिर I forgot her name, who is a little slow when she talks. I love her on the panel as well. Like she is incredible. उनके timing भी बहुत अच्छी होती है. I forgot her name. I'm sorry. We have seen her also in Ashish के roast, but I keep forgetting her name. Yeah, but she talks really slow. You know, मुझे पता चल गया, आपको पता चल गया, मेरे दिमाग में पिक्चर है उनका, but मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है. So that's I really like her. I think Gurleen didn't really participate that much, even for Kusha, as much, but it's okay. I mean, the OG gang was still here, and I really like this OG gang. I genuinely like the OG gang, like I always say. तकलीफ नहीं है कोई नए आए तो, but I prefer them, like I always say. I enjoyed it. I truly enjoyed it. And that's absolutely true. I mean, this whole notion of women are women's enemy and this and that is all false. Not anymore. At least not around me. I'm not healed women. होते हैं ऐसे तो लोग हर जगह होते हैं. काफ़ी लड़के भी होते हैं जो अच्छा करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन काफ़ी और लड़के होते हैं उनको how dare you get better, and they pull them down. This is the same thing. It's the same thing for females as well. Like certain unhealed females who see other female getting better in their lives जो उनको चाहिए, तो यार you should have this mindset. अच्छा उसको मिल गया, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ as an inspiration to do that, so I also get this or better, rather than be envious of them, like उनको मिल गया, उनको no deserve नहीं करते. तुम मेहनत करो ना उसके लिए, तो भी sometimes you might not get it, but you will get something else in that process. For sure you will. So I think this mental change is very important. Yeah, I'm reading this book, The Mountain is You, right now, और बहुत सही बुक है. मैं उसको लाइव में बात करूँगी ज़्यादा, और लाइव हो चुकी होगी ये वीडियो आएगा उससे पहले. But yeah, I'll try my best to do live on every Sunday evening as possible, जहाँ से vlog नहीं आ रहा है. But This was all fun. This was all fun. And again, I agree with this whole thing as well. It's not कि अगर आप थोड़े healthy हो दिखने में तो आप unhealthy, like if you are a little bit bigger on the end तो आप unhealthy हो, and if you are very skinny or if you are skinnier you are healthy. ये बहुत wrong है. Again comes from someone who has learned and studied science and medical. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. A lot of people who are a little bit on the heavier end also much more healthier than people who are on the skinnier end, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's just there. वो black and white नहीं होता है. हमको नहीं पता है, हम डॉक्टर नहीं है तो हमें किसी पे comment नहीं करनी चाहिए. And on the third note, which I said, I completely agree with. If you have something, if you have worked on something, you have all rights to ask for it. So I work on myself, और मैं अपने body पे भी इतना ध्यान देती हूँ. I also work on my mind as well. So I would prefer someone who works on themselves as well rather than someone who does not. It's as simple as that. There's nothing wrong in asking for it, but हाँ खुद पे भी होना चाहिए वो चीज़. Then you can't ask for it when you don't have it yourself. और नहीं मिलेगा, alignment में नहीं हो, you won't have it. But anyway, I had to just clear things up, and I think it makes sense in my opinion. I loved this video. Hope you did too, and I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully next week. Bye. Love you.